The opening sequence establishes the discovery and recovery of a severely neglected Dodge Charger Daytona. The focus is on carefully inspecting the damage, clearing debris, and safely extracting the car from the forest before transporting it to a controlled workshop environment. This groundwork is essential as it documents the true starting condition and prepares the vehicle for the long, methodical restoration process that follows.
This car was once abandoned, rusted, broken and forgotten. Today it lives again. If this restoration inspired you, support us by subscribing. Share this video, leave a comment and become part of this journey. More restorations are coming.
After unloading the car at the workshop, the first step is a careful visual inspection to understand the true extent of the damage. Photographing and documenting every rusted seam and weakened panel helps guide the restoration plan later. A thorough pressure wash removes years of mud, moss, oil, and grime, revealing the real condition of the metal underneath without making it look risky. Degreasing and rinsing the engine bay and undercarriage prepares the car for safe mechanical work, while proper drying prevents flash rust. Marking critical corrosion areas allows clear decisions on which sections will be repaired or replaced, setting the foundation for a complete frame-off restoration. At this stage, the project moves into full disassembly. Each component is removed methodically, starting with wheels and interior parts, then glass, doors, body panels, and the iconic Daytona wing. The engine, transmission, and differential are carefully extracted, allowing complete access to every structural element. Finally, the body is separated from the frame, and the workspace is organized into dedicated areas for chassis and body restoration, setting the foundation for precise rust repair and rebuilding in the next phases.
All right, almost got this heavy piece out. Easy does it.
店收嘅影片将会有你的装饰灯那种灯法，张正而已开发呢，做这个的狗灯的是。
At this stage, the body is fully separated and all focus shifts to the chassis. After aggressive sandblasting to expose clean steel, every crack and weak point becomes visible and is repaired through welding and steel replacement. Once the structure is solid again, protective epoxy and semi-gloss black paint seal the frame against future corrosion. With that foundation restored, suspension and braking systems are rebuilt piece by piece, transforming the rusty skeleton into a strong, rolling chassis that's finally ready to receive the body back on top.
If you enjoyed watching this incredible transformation from a forgotten rusted supercar into a machine reborn, don't forget to subscribe for more full restorations like this. Leave a comment below and tell us what car we should restore next. And share this video with fellow car lovers. Your support helps keep these restorations alive.
At this stage, the focus is fully on structural body repair. Heavy sandblasting removes decades of corrosion and exposes the true extent of the damage. Rust holes are identified, weak metal is cut away, and new steel panels are carefully fabricated and welded into place. Rough sanding levels the welds, followed by body filler to correct surface imperfections. Fine sanding refines the shape, and a uniform primer coat seals the work, creating a consistent matte surface that's finally ready for the paint process. At this stage, all surface preparation pays off. Sensitive areas are masked carefully before laying down the base coat and control leave-in passes, allowing the color to build gradually without rushing the finish. Once coverage is solid, clear coat is applied to protect the paint and bring out depth, followed by controlled curing and polishing to achieve a deep, reflective gloss. With paint complete, exterior details come back together. Trim, emblems, wheels, and the iconic Daytona wing, each installed with precision. The result is a fully revived exterior that looks cohesive, authentic, and ready for the road. With the exterior complete, attention shifts to the heart of the car and the cabin. The engine is removed, fully stripped, cleaned, and rebuilt with new internal components before being refinished and carefully reinstalled. Fresh wiring and hoses ensure reliability and a clean engine bay layout. Inside, the worn dashboard is repaired and refinished, followed by new carpet and seats that restore comfort and authenticity. By the end of this stage, both the engine and interior feel renewed, functional, and ready for the road ahead. In this final stage, the restored body is reunited with the chassis and every panel is carefully aligned to achieve factory-level gaps. New glass is installed, all essential fluids are filled, and the engine is brought to life for the first time. After a short test drive to confirm mechanical integrity, the car receives its final detailing. The project concludes with a full reveal, highlighting the dramatic transformation from a forgotten rusted shell into a fully restored, road-ready Dodge Charger Daytona.
Thank you for watching this full restoration. If you like videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to share this video with friends who love cars and restorations. See you in the next project.